I have two iPhones that I want to smash with my power hammers. This one has a hammer ram that weighs 130 pounds, and that steam hammer has a 600-pound ram. Okay, here we go! Here we go! Look at what's left of that. Let's do it again. Man, there's a weird taste in here. Oh, there's some smoke coming out from it too. Well, here's the aftermath. The steam hammer one, flattened like a pancake, definitely wins. This one, even though it had a few more hits, looks pretty hilarious too. But let me tell you, smashing iPhones smells really weird.